Yeah, this is the AR camera we have mounted over here. You can see, right? Inside, yeah, we have a original fixture. This silver piece, yeah, the wiring over here, then goes into the parking module under the front seat, front passenger seat. Okay, yeah. Then cover it by the original cover, right? Yes. Then put this little piece in. Okay. Yeah. If we take a look from outside, 杰森动一动，让我。小军给我个灯，这边正好被那个。You can see this is AR camera. On top this one, this piece is the multi-function camera. This is AR camera in this B class.